This is how to make an ARRI Alexa35 accept external timecode and Genlock. Turn on all your Lockit devices. Choose one of them to be the master clock, then press and hold the green button to broadcast timecode and framerate through ACN. Make sure all cameras and Lockits run on the same framerate. Then navigate to the timecode menu of the camera. In the options, select Free Run Timecode and as a mode, choose Regen. For this camera, you need a TC-IO Timecode cable. Connect it to the LEMO timecode interface. Now the camera accepts the external timecode source. If your shooting requires Genlock, you can use the same setup. ARRI cameras can lock their sensor to an accurate timecode input via Lockits. All you have to do is go to System, Sensor, then Genlock Sync and select TC in.